Igan, you want to know what unconditional love looks like? Look at a mother. Not always perfect, not always healed, not always understood, but somehow she keeps loving. Even when she's tired, even when she's hurting, even when nobody notices her sacrifices. Minsan, habang bata tayo, hindi natin fully naiintindihan yung pagmamahal ng isang ina. But life humbles us. And as we grow, we begin to realize something deeper. A mother's love is one of the closest human reflections of God's love. The kind of love that forgives, the kind of love that stays, the kind of love that keeps going kahit walang kapalit. Maybe that's why the love of Jesus touches so many hearts. Because it carries the same presence, compassion, grace, forgiveness. Not the love that controls, but love that embraces. So today, if your mother is still here, appreciate her. If healing is needed, open your heart, forgive. And if she's no longer here, be still for a moment. Because real love never truly leaves. Happy Mother's Day.